Hello everyone, just a quick video to show my new gaming pad. Pretty much I've had this Xbox 360 gaming pad connected to my machine now. I've had this pad for well over 6 years. I can remember purchasing this to use with a PC. I've had a couple of issues with it recently where these are sticking a little bit, and also the shoulders. Sometimes when you press them they don't respond, or sometimes they stick, and then it's like as if you got automatic fire on all the time or something, depending on the game you're playing. And a few times I've lost games because the pads are sticking. Also some of these buttons, I've tried cleaning it, but I think it's just overuse really with this. So I was looking for a replacement pad, did some research, and I was going to go for the Xbox Elite, which people are saying is the best pad to go for. However, I prefer to have a wired pad rather than a wireless one. So my choices were limited. So some would say Power A was one of the options. That's quite a reasonable price pad. That's a budget one. That would be around about £25. And I did see that for sale in Curry's for about £25. So I did some research, and I came to the conclusion that the best pad, wired, I had limited choice. So I had about 3 pads to choose from. So either the same one I've already got now, which is around about £30, or the Power A, which is almost the same as this 360 pad, or the Wolverine. Now, there's more than one version of the Wolverine, which is made by Razer, and that is the Wolverine comes in version 1, and there's a version 2, and there's also an RGB. So if you're purchasing, if you don't fancy anything like RGB where the pad lights up, there's actually lights on this where it lights up, then you can purchase it would be slightly cheaper, and you can get the Wolverine version 2 non-RGB Chroma, and basically that's what Chroma is, RGB, for Razer. You can get a non-Chroma, it would be slightly cheaper. This I actually purchased on offer. This would normally retail at around about £200, but Curry's PC Wood was doing an offer, web exclusive offer, where I got this for £130. This is obviously going to replace this one, and the good thing with this as well is you can connect it to an Xbox console if you want to, even though most of the gaming that I'm doing now is on PC, and I think I'll probably remain and stick to the PC. One of the things that's good as well with this as well is the drumsticks are interchangeable. So these sticks here, they can be interchangeable. So obviously if they wear out or anything, you can actually change them. Here's the first look at the pad. This is the first time I've actually seen the pad as well up front, since I purchased it. So today's going to be the first use of the pad as well. So it's boxed very, very nicely indeed. And there we go. The pad, it feels lovely compared to the 360 pad. These are textured, and these sides are textured, and they feel really grippy. The reason why I chose this pad as well is because it's got a very good response time when playing games. But not only that as well, this pad, if you hold it and you've got sweaty palms from playing, maybe for an hour or two, this allows you to still grip the pad, and it won't become slippery in your hand, and there's less chance of you dropping it. Obviously you've got these trigger switches here as well, which you can actually configure as well if you wanted to, with your extra trigger switches. Obviously the switches as well inside this pad are mechanical, see? So if we go back to the old pad here, as you can see, yeah, that's it. It's quite funny actually. I've just started my game off in the background. I apologise if that picks it up on the mic. I didn't realise that pad was still connected to the machine. See, look, it's connected. So anyway, where were we? Yeah. So this pad has a jack socket, which you can just make out by there, which actually allows you to plug a headset in. The other thing as well is the cable plugs into the socket here, and the reason why they've designed a cable that's removable is so that if you were to pull it, it wouldn't damage the controller. It would pop out before it damaged the controller. First impressions, it feels really nice, the pad does. I did actually pop into Curry's PC World, my local store, and I did actually ask them, these are the interchangeable ones there, by the way. I did actually ask them as well at the time if I could actually feel the weight of the pad, and have a look at the other model. So there's another model. This is the Chroma one, the white. You can get the Chroma in like a black grey colour, and that does actually look like a good colour, actually. Come to think of it, maybe I should have chosen that colour, because obviously I've gone white and maybe it won't stay white for long. But saying that, I've got the PlayStation 4 with white controllers and I haven't had a problem with them being dirty. So yeah, should be fine. So I'll do another review on it actually after I've used it for a bit. In here, if I just open this bit, is obviously the cable. It's braided. It's a braided USB cable. That's what we talk about. Braided is what we want. There's no software for this, by the way. It is plug and play. So, and that's something that's very good as well. Look at that. They put a cover on the end of the USB port as well, which is very neat to protect it. So, I shall connect the pad up and do another follow-up review. Right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.